Hello world, hello internet. Today I received this because it was not included. Actually it's supposed to be included, but so today I got from Longines this package. Let's open this and let's find out what it is. Okay. Wow, Longines. Yes. So what is it exactly? It's the original Longines leather bag. The leather bag that comes with this watch. So, I think it's quite nice. It looks like it's real leather. You can put 1, 2, and 3. So let's try it. This is my Longines Zulu. Okay, so probably you can do it like this. Put it in here like this. Spirit. Thank you, Longines. This was a free gift if you order this watch in Switzerland. Hope you enjoy this. Bye bye.